Now, before I go home, I was working on this is a HP 840 motherboard. I was working on it. I have not done with. I'm not done with it. And the problem with it have short circuit in it. I think the customer had told me that the charger of the laptop got short circuited, the positive and the negative side, and the laptop got some short circuit in it. So what I was doing, I was trying to diagnose the motherboard, where might be the short circuit coming from. So when I opened the laptop, I found that just this diode, right next to the power in jack, had blown up. So I changed it and put another diode. After putting another diode, still the laptop did not show any signs of powering in. So I went on to measure the voltages around the input output IC, which is the ENE. Here you can see it. I had removed it because when I measured the voltages around here, there were no any 3 volts, 5 volts being seen. So what I did next, I tried to measure the diodes around here, and they were measuring short circuit, but the power in the power is coming very good in. So what I did, I just removed the ENE because I thought that maybe the ENE might be the problem. And you can see it here, the ENE. But still, after removing the ENE, you see my meter here, it's still measuring short. Still measuring short circuit. So probably the ENE is good, and the short circuit might be coming from another place. Most probably from the power switch. I see the input, the power switch. I see, which is this one. So I have decided to first take back the ENE and then rook to the power IC. So let me solder back the ENE. Let me solder back the ENE. Don't mind of the background noises around there. There's a PlayStation which is near me. The boys usually shout anyhow. So let's just concentrate on our work. Now I think the solder is okay. Can take back the ENE chip, the input output IC. Now we put it with my hot air gun, and the ENE, there is how you put it. Just you don't just put it anyhow. So there is this dotted side, the side with the dot, this one. The side with this dot, this small dot here, should come to the side with these two lines here. You can see the other side, the other corners has got only one line, one line, but this corner here has got two lines. So this side with a smaller dot here should come, and this side with two dots, two lines, I mean, so that now we can solder it back. Just make sure that it's aligned to its press before you apply hot air. Because the legs are very close to each other, so you might not end up making short circuit, shorting up the legs. If they are aligned, I can use my hot air. You can see that it's back to its position. Each leg is at its press, its right press. Yes, now we can clean the board. We can clean. Now it's okay. Now, what next I'll try to do is that I'll go ahead, and since there is no any signs of 5 volts not present even here at the power IC, I'll go on and remove this. That diode is okay. Diode is okay. Remember that the diode is supposed to measure like that, not both sides. And you measure that way, it's reading 553 amperes. Oh, and you measure that way, it's reading 1. So the diode means it's okay. So I'll go on, remove this chip. Let's measure if still there is short here. Oh, you can hear that there is no short here now. This was measuring short circuit. You can hear that there is no short circuit. So not most probably, the problem was with this IC. This small IC, you can see how small it is, but it's very important to the machine, to the laptop. The problem was this IC. Now, what I'll do is that I try to look for another. I try to look for another one. I can replace it here. I can replace it here. Sure, I got another one here. I can get from my motherboards. You know, remember they should measure. They should be. They should read the same values. Same values should be printed at the that I see number. So this I see it's. I don't know if I'll be able to get the reading on it. But what I have is I have exactly the same board here with me, which I'm using as a donor board. I've got exactly the same board here with me. So I just remove the IC. I just remove the IC and put it here. This IC. Let me remove it, put it there. Okay. My shop is not that big. I'm compressed, but I'm hoping so in future get somewhere better so that I can be viewing. I get a good camera. I get somewhere better so that I can be viewing what I'm doing very well, and you can be and you can understand it better. You can have a better shop with good views so that I can give you time to run also, and and better angles to run also. But I hope you're getting it whatever it is. Like now I've replaced that chip. Let's measure if there is still in progress, or if there is any short circuit. Now I can see that there is no short circuit. Yeah, there is no short circuit. Now what I need to do is I take the board back. I take the board back to the chassis and test whether I've managed to repair the board. Here goes the board, the chassis. Let me take it back here. Take it back here. Let me connect back the fans. Remember, when it is spin, it will tell me that the laptop is now okay. Let's take back the power switch. This is the screen connection. Now, let me first check if the right is responding. As the adapter, we can check if this light, if it will indicate something here. Yeah, see something. See some right here, power right here. Now we try to press the power button. Even the power is on. Yeah, the fan is spinning. You can see the fan has started spinning. But remember, yeah, even the processor is getting hot. But you see, I have not inserted the RAM, so it cannot display. So let me put back the let me put back the screen fiber. Let me put back the heatsink. But the heatsink is very important. Now let me put RAM. It's a DDR3. So that we can check the display. It's functioning even if the display. Now put back the RAM to express. Now let's put the power adapter and check the display. Wow, wow. The machine is back. Now it's already late. I cannot tell that my client that I've managed to take back his machine. I'll have to tell him tomorrow, but it's something I've done I've decided to do it before I go home, and it's worth it. I've decided just to buy some time before I go home, and now the machine is good. It's okay. I've done it. So thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something. Yeah. Goodbye. For